Simple way to grow potatoes in thermocol containers. Make some drainage holes in the container. To fill the box, fill it with garden waste up to 3 to 4 inches. This will have three benefits. First, soil will not come out from the drainage hole. Second, it will work as fertilizer in the soil. Third, this soil will be light in weight. Spread a 3 to 4 inch thick layer of cow dung manure over it. Use old potatoes for sowing. If the potatoes have not sprouted, bury them in decomposed cow dung manure for 2 to 3 days and they will sprout. I am going to plant 4 potatoes here. Add decomposed cow dung manure to the area where potatoes are to be planted. After this, plant potatoes and cover them with manure. Potting soil 50% cow dung manure, 25% garden soil, 25% coco peat. Water moderate, sunlight full to partial sun. First update. Second update. Third update. Always keep the soil moist for good yield. Fourth update. Always keep the soil moist. And when the plants start turning yellow and drying up like this, then you can take out the potatoes.